What if I told you that there is a gemstone that ancient civilization called bottled sunshine? A stone so warm, so alive with golden light that merchants carried it across the Silk Road not just as jewelry, but as a talisman against darkness, poison, and evil thought. A stone that the ancient Romans wore on the fingers, that Scottish warrior embedded in the handles of their swords and daggers, and that Hollywood celebrities of the Art Deco era wore in pieces so extraordinary that those necklaces are today among the most valuable antique jewelry in the world. That stone is citrine, and I know you already know about it. Today, we are exploring the most unique, the most stunning, and latest citrine necklace collection ever assembled in one place. Citrine alone, citrine with gold, citrine with silver, citrine with pearls, and other stones, and every combo, every style, every shade of this magnificent golden gemstone. Stay with me because citrine is one of the most underestimated, most misunderstood, and most breathtakingly beautiful gemstone in existence. And by the end of this video, you will understand exactly why the entire jewelry world is falling in love with it all over again. Let's get into it. Let's start with the stone itself. Because most people think they know citrine, and almost nobody knows the full truth about what this extraordinary mineral actually is. Citrine is a variety of quartz, silicon dioxide, colored by trace amounts of iron within its crystal structure. The iron impurities interact with the quartz lattice in a specific way that absorb blue and violet light wavelengths and reflect yellow, orange, and golden wavelengths back to the eye. This is the scientific origin of citrine's characteristic warm golden color. Iron chemistry inside one of the Earth's most abundant mineral families, producing one of the nature's most beautiful warm tones. But here's what most people do not know: natural citrine. Natural citrine, genuinely naturally occurring citrine with its golden color produced entirely by geological processes, is actually quite rare. Most of the citrine available in the jewelry market today is heat treated amethyst or smoky quartz. When purple amethyst is heated to temperatures between 470 and 560 degrees Celsius, the iron impurities within its structure undergo a chemical transformation and the purple color converts to yellow, orange, or reddish brown. The resulting stone is chemically identical to natural citrine in every measurable way. The heat treatment simply accelerates a geological process that would have taken millions of years underground. Natural citrine forms most abundantly in Brazil, particularly in the Rio and in the Spain, Russia, and Scotland. The finest natural citrine in the world comes from the Palmyra region of Brazil, where it forms in a rich, deeply saturated golden yellow that gemologists call Palmyra citrine, one of the most beautiful warm gemstone color in existence. The color range of citrine is one of the most extraordinary qualities. It spans from the palest lemon yellow, almost transparent with just a whisper of warmth, through rich honey gold and deep amber orange to the rarest and most valuable shade, a deep reddish orange called Madeira citrine, named after the color of the famous Portuguese fortified wine. Each shade of the citrine creates a completely different visual and emotional experience in a necklace. And this collection showcased the full magnificent spectrum The four combination word of this citrine collection. Okay, guys, this collection is not one aesthetic. It is four completely distinct natural design balls, each one showing citrine in a completely different light and creating a completely different emotional experience. So first one is citrine alone. Pure citrine necklaces like beaded, faceted, capricorn, raw, where the stone speaks entirely for itself without the spot or distraction of other materials. These designs have an almost meditative purity. The entire visual experience is about the warmth, the variation, the inner light of citrine across its full color spectrum, from pale lemon to deep Madeira. Pure citrine necklaces are the most honest expression of this stone, and they are among the most visually powerful pieces in this collection, being nothing compares with the gold and warmth of the stone itself. Second is citrine with gold. This is the most harmonious combination in citrine jewelry. The warm yellow of gold and the warm golden yellow of citrine are so tonally aligned that they create a monochromatic richness, a depth of warmth that feels almost overwhelming in its opulence. Gold does not contrast with citrine, gold amplifies it. Gold tells citrine you are already golden and I am here to confirm it. The best citrine and gold necklaces in this collection use gold as a frame, gold wire wrapping, gold bead accent, gold chain linking that give the citrine stones a setting of such warmth and richness that the overall piece looks like concentrated sunlight. Move on, citrine with silver. This is the most modern and most unexpected citrine combination, and it creates a completely different aesthetic form from citrine with gold. The cool white of silver against the warm yellow of citrine is a complementary temperature contrast, cool and warm meeting. That makes both materials more vivid. The citrine looks warmer, more golden, more luminous against silver. The silver looks cleaner, more brilliant, more architectural against citrine. Citrine and silver necklaces have a contemporary, almost graphic quality. They feel modern, precise, and deeply sophisticated in a way that citrine and gold does not. These are the citrine necklaces for the woman who love warmth but lives in a modern aesthetic. Last one is citrine with pearls and other stones. This is the most complex and most visually rich category in this collection. Citrine paired with white pearl create the same earth and moon conversation we see in other warm gemstone and pearl combination, but with a specific solar energy that pearl combination with other stones do not carry. The golden warmth of citrine and the cool beauty of white pearl in a combination of sunshine and moonlight day and night in one necklace. Citrine paired with amethyst, its purple sister stone in the quartz family, create one of the most naturally harmonious gemstone combination in existence, since the two stones are literally the same mineral in different colorations. Citrine and amethyst together in a combination called ametrine when it occurs naturally in a single stone, and in necklace form, the warm golden citrine against cool purple amethyst create a royal vibe that has been prized in jewelry for centuries. If this video gave you something extraordinary today, a piece of knowledge that changed how you see this magnificent stone, a design that captured your heart, give it a thumbs up right now, share it with the sunshine lover in your life who deserves to see something this warm and this beautiful. And subscribe because next time we're going into another world of gemstone design that you absolutely cannot afford to miss. This is Bibi Shine and I will see you in the next video.